Hi, welcome to JST's Creation Crochet. Today I'm going to show you how to make this nice cute little butterfly keychain. Okay, let's begin. For this project I am using these 3 colors yarn and 3 crochet needle. Okay, let's begin. First I'm going to make a magic ring on this yarn. Just wrap it around and insert your yarn and take this yarn into it. Okay. 1, 2, 3 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. Okay, now I have made 1, 2 chains. Okay, again 1 double crochet inside the magic ring, 1, 2 and 3 double crochets on this magic ring. Okay, again 1, 2 chains. I'm going to have 1 slip stitch on the 3rd chain off. Now I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 sets of 3 double crochet and 2 chains. Okay. Now I'm going to cut this yarn. I'm going to circle it. Now here we have made 3 double crochets. Now on the second double crochet, this is 1 double crochet, this is 2, 3 and these 2 size chains we have made. So I'm going to make on the second double crochet, insert the yarn and use this thread. Insert it and 1 chain. Okay. Now I am going to do the workings on this chain space. Okay. Here, put 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, again 1, 2 chains. Again I am going to make another 3 double crochets on the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, it's going to be like this. Okay, now here this is first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. On top of the second double crochet, going to have 1 single crochet. And here again, here on the chain space. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets here. 3 double crochets, 1, 2 chains, and again going to have 3 double crochets on this chain space. 2 and 3. Okay. Now on the second chain space, 1 single crochet. Here going to have 1 double crochet, 3 double crochets, 2 chains. Going to repeat the same. And now I'm going to slip stitch on the same stitch and finish it off. Right, it's going to be like this. Now I'm going to cut this yarn. Okay, and secure it. On the single crochet, I'm going to insert the yarn and start my work. One chain, and in this chain 2 space I'm going to do the working, start working. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 double crochets. Right now I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 chains. I'm going to make a slip stitch in these 2 chains here on top of this double crochet with 2 yarns on my hook and slip stitch it. Right now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 double crochets here. Okay. Now on this single crochet, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. Right. Again in these 2 chain space. 1, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3 chains and slip stitch on this. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Repeat this. Now on the same stitch I'm going to make 1 slip stitch. Right, our butterfly is ready. Now what I'm going to do is, this is the joining part, I'm going to fold it into 2 like this. Right here. Done this keychain, inserting into it and secure it inside. Okay, now I'm going to do the joining part. Okay, just insert into this chain the back one, here also the front part. Okay, and slip stitch. from here. Finish. Now this part is finished. Now I'm going to cut this one. Let's separate. My butterfly is finished. My second part. Separate this. Finish. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on next video. Take care. Bye.